Hey guys, it's your dear angel back at it with another vlog. I know it's been a while. I'm so sorry guys. It's just been so hectic at work, but that's gonna be another video to come. So today in this vlog, I was invited by my friend Victoria. And if you guys haven't met my friend Victoria or are not familiar with her, we actually did the Poopy House vlog together. So I will actually link that video down below if you guys want to go check that out. So my friend Victoria actually started this new kind of business, education. It's like property, wholesale business thing, flipping houses and whatnot. So today we are going on a property tour, or a property walkthrough. I'm gonna go check that out right now and see what we've got. So come with me. Alright guys, so here we are at the house, at the property. Victoria and Alicia is waiting for me in there, so we're gonna go meet up with them.
When you do post, can you take out 20 pounds?
Yes. Absolutely. I'm just going to the dark shirt. It's going to feel a little bit heavy. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's 1976, that there's a lot of upgrades that, is needed. Like the millennial buyers, they don't want.
Alright guys, so we're in the house, the property tour. So we have Victoria here and Alicia. So these are actually the investors and the educators here.
So the property has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,692 square feet, so 1,692 square feet, built in 1976. Now this house is vacant. The residents of this house were relatives of the owner, but they didn't take care of the house, and they were evicted. So we're going through the house right now and see how they left it. And the reason why we're here is we're thinking of possibly purchasing this property to make it beautiful and bring it to 2019 standards by a millennial, for a millennial buyer. And that's what we do. We flip houses here in the greater Las Vegas area. So come on with us. Me and Alicia, we're gonna show you the entire property, okay?
So if you guys remember my previous vlog, Victoria has come a very long way from when we last shot the vlog. So she is doing, like I said earlier, she's doing the more educating stuff pretty soon, so that's coming up pretty soon. She also has Facebook groups with a bunch of women who
we also have a meetup group for women who want to learn real estate investing here in Las Vegas as well. We have that.
So I'll definitely put a link down below if you guys are interested, and it's a great learning experience. So we'll go check out the house. As we walk through the home, we have the loft, or the formal area, I guess.
Like a living room area.
Yeah, like a living room. So this is pretty decent size already. And then next to me is the stairs going upstairs. But going in here, we have the living room, family room, plus we could put the kitchen. Oh, dining room, I'm sorry. So dining room is here. And also we've got the kitchen right here. So countertops are okay looking. It's a little bit dark and shady here though. It's is there a ghost behind me? No. Okay. And then out here we have the backyard. So we'll check that out. like Victoria said, this is just a property tour to see whether or not it's a good buy. She'll do some negotiations and then she'll flip it and then wholesale that. Guys, we're gonna head back inside for more adventures. Alright, so we're still on the first floor and it looks like they have another room in here. So we've got one bedroom down here. Sorry, it's like a little dark. Let's see if the lights flip on. Okay guys, I'm getting like the vibes of like the creepiness in here. It's not bad. Doesn't look like there's any mold or anything. So moving on here, we're at the bathroom. And then we have here on the first floor is, I believe, the garage. So we're gonna go in there. Creepy. So if my friend Victoria actually does happen to pull off some strings and get this house, I can definitely do a follow-up video. But you could definitely see how much work that she's got to do in this garage, because let's just say it's a mess. So B-roll time, here we go. So it definitely looks like someone lived out of this garage, because you could see like the couches here. It looks like they've got some hangout table there. You know, like ordinary stuff, and I don't know what the hell they put up there, but and like what that is for. And hopefully nothing falls on my head, because there's like stuff falling out of the roof here earlier, and they're hiding like some sort of, what is that, guys? Some videos and videotapes? I don't know. So maybe for those who are familiar with flipping houses or construction stuff, you guys might get an idea of how much this is all gonna cost you guys. Anyways, we are heading out here because I am creeped out. It is gross. Not my kind of place, but heading upstairs. Thank you, garage. So have you guys seen Harry Potter, where Harry actually lived under the stairs for a while? So this looks like the place right there. See? It's got like a little closet under the stairs, and you've got some storage in here. So this is definitely a good option to sleep in. Just kidding. This is a good option to store some stuff in. Awesome. Okay, we're gonna head upstairs. So Victoria is actually right behind me because she's gonna show me this bathroom, and she says I need light. So we're gonna go in there and check that out.
This bathroom used to have a wall. They used to have walls everywhere here, but they must have taken it down to hide something in here. Oh. That's the one that fell.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Gosh.
See that? That's the second. See, that's the garage down there. And there's already a hole in the house. So this is a crawl space, and the former residents used it to store something somewhat maybe illegal, because they thought to take out the wall here in the shower. You got it?
So the cool stuff about doing the property tour is you get to see the, I guess, ins and outs and what you need to fix. Mm-hmm. So this is why it's really important, is what Victoria says. It's very important. All right, so we're gonna continue with our second floor tour. All right, so this is bathroom number 1 upstairs. This is bedroom number 2 here. So FYI, there is a stench here. Dusty old stench. But anyways, there's their closet. Okay, so this will be the 3rd bedroom upstairs. We got kind of a bigger closet here. Will you turn on? And yes, you do. And that's where we shine the light. Alright guys, today that ends our video here, and
Thanks for watching. See you at the next house.
yeah, see you guys. And don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.